Hi, I like to express my appreciation for the chance 3D Film Studio has given me to present my introduction. My name is Uddipta Saikia. I am 19 years old. Even though Dibrugarh is my hometown, I have made Guwahati my home for the time being. I am currently attending the Government College of Art and Craft Assam, located in Guwahati, to earn my Bachelor of Fine Arts degree. I come from a small, close-knit family of my own. I am a person who is always optimistic, who is self-motivated, who works very hard, and who is disciplined. My primary goals right now are to have a successful acting career and to develop my drawing skills. My goal for the long run is to have a good career as an artist and actor. In addition to that, I want to undertake some acts of charity for the greater good of our community. Acting, painting, crafting, vlogging, listening to music, gardening, and exploring new places are some of my other passions. That sums up my introduction. Thank you so much for watching.